such an important invention that helps us clean our mistakes. So it surely deserves an episode dedicated to zoom in. Erasers are the little water droplets that these vital inventions can come in various colors, shapes, and sizes, and can be made of different materials like vinyl, plastic, or gum-like materials. Though modern erasers are relatively new inventions, but erasers as a general category can date back as old as writing itself. Yes, before rubber erasers, the ancient Greeks used wax tablets to erase.
How? এটা কি? How? ভাল লাগে রুফাইদা? ভাল লাগে? ভাল লাগে না? রুফাইদা ভাল লাগে তোমার বিরিয়ানি?